Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download an app for DJI RS 4 Pro. To do this, first you will need to grab the instruction that comes with the package, and right here when you open it you can find the QR code that we need to scan with our smartphone. So open your camera, then click on Google Lens or scan QR code if you have it available. If not, you might need to download a different app that allows you to scan QR codes. Now we can grab our phone and scan this code. Just point the camera at it, then click on the loop, and it should open this website. Now on this website we need to click on DJI Ronin app, so click on Get, download Android app, download anyway, and now the download should begin, and after that we'll be able to install that app. When the download is finished, swipe your notification bar to find the downloads and click on it. Install the app. And here we have it, our app is installed. Next step will be on how to pair your DJI RS 4 Pro, and I'll be showing that in my next video. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.